Karakavals and Rallagaru are two small villages around 110 kilometers from Vizag. You can get there by turning left at Damuku on the Vizag-Aruku road and driving 28 kilometers into the hills. These beautiful villages are at an altitude of 700 meters and are surrounded by green hills on all sides. During the rains, you can see several springs, streams and waterfalls in these hills. The pity is that despite being close to water sources, some of which flow throughout the year, the tribals who inhabit these villages have to climb up or down the steep hillside just to get a little water for their washing, cooking and drinking needs. Some water from the streams accumulate in small holes in the ground. Women spend several hours each day scooping up water from these holes for their daily needs. Samatha has been involved with these villages for quite some time by way of advocacy, especially with regard to resisting destructive mining of the area. We have always wanted to execute a project here to provide good, clean drinking water on tap to the people of these villages. And this dream is now about to come true. We set up a camp in the schoolhouse that Samatha had built in 2006. And then we go about taking all the heavy material up the hill. The filter is filled with filtering media and is very heavy. We need 6 strong volunteers to haul it up the hill. Devalugaru has arrived on his motorbike with a mason from Aruku. Soon we will be starting work at the source. The source of the water is in the hills above the village. Water flows out from these rocks. The masonry work to trap the water at the source has already started. First, the water is diverted and a wall is built at the source. A 4-inch pipe carries the water to a small holding tank which will be filled with pebbles later. From here, a 2-inch pipe will carry the water down the hill to the filter and the tank, from where it will be distributed. As our project progresses, we have been watching these tribal women scooping up water from the holes in the ground for their daily needs. It's back-breaking work and we'd like to get the project done quickly so that they benefit from water on tap. We have been warned that it might rain this afternoon, so we are rushing the connection of the filter with the water tank. We'd like to get this job done real soon. Another group of people are now unraveling the HDPE pipe and taking it up the hill to the source. The other end of the pipe will be coming to the filter and water tank. We have to be very careful not to bend the pipe too much or it will kink and constrict the water flow. Most of the area's able-bodied tribals, both men and women, help us with this job. We'll be doing almost a kilometer of piping today. We are pretty excited now because the water from the source has been released and will be flowing into the water tank. When we started on the project, we were wondering whether we would be able to finish it in the 6 days that we allocated for this job. But with the entire village pitching in, we could do it in 5 days. It's a tremendous achievement, and we must thank everybody that was involved. Now it's time for the village to celebrate.